Welcome to Decode Finance, where we empower you to take control of your finances and build a brighter future. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of investing. Investing can seem intimidating, but it doesn't have to be. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your skills, this video will guide you through the essentials of investing. Let's start with the basics. Investing is all about putting your money to work for you, with the goal of growing your wealth over time. But before we jump into the specifics, let's address the question on everyone's mind. Why should you invest? The answer is simple: to secure your financial future. Investing allows your money to grow faster than it would in a traditional savings account. But that's not all. Investing also helps you beat inflation, build wealth, and achieve your long-term financial goals. Now that you understand the importance of investing, let's explore the different types of investments available. From stocks and bonds to real estate and mutual funds, there are countless ways to invest your money. Each type of investment comes with its own risks and rewards, so it's important to choose wisely. When it comes to investing, risk and return go hand in hand. Generally, the higher the potential return, the greater the risk. But that doesn't mean you should avoid risk altogether. Instead, it's about finding the right balance that aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Before you start investing, it's important to define your investment goals. What are you investing for? Retirement? Buying a home? Education? By setting clear and achievable goals, you'll have a roadmap to guide your investment decisions and stay on track. You don't need a lot of money to start investing. In fact, some of the most successful investors started with just a few dollars. Whether it's through a retirement account, a brokerage account, or a robo-advisor, there are plenty of options for investors of all budgets. Now that you're ready to start investing, let's talk about some basic investment strategies to help you maximize your returns and minimize your risks. From dollar cost averaging to diversification, these strategies are designed to help you build a solid investment portfolio. When it comes to investing, choosing the right brokerage account is crucial. It's where you'll buy and sell investments, so you want to make sure you find one that meets your needs. Look for a brokerage account with low fees, a user-friendly interface, and access to a wide range of investment options. Before you invest in anything, it's important to do your homework. Researching investments can help you make informed decisions and avoid costly mistakes. From analyzing financial statements to researching market trends, there are plenty of resources available to help you make smart investment choices. Finally, remember that investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about having a long-term perspective and staying committed to your financial goals, even when the market gets rough. By staying disciplined and sticking to your investment plan, you'll be well on your way to financial success. If you're eager to learn more about investing, there are plenty of resources available to help you expand your knowledge and skills. From best-selling books to informative websites and podcasts, there's no shortage of valuable content to explore. That wraps up our guide to Investing 101. I hope you found this video helpful and inspiring. Remember, the key to financial success is taking action and staying committed to your goals. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.